What kind of business are you looking at putting in?
Here's my explanation. You'll smell what I'm cooking here pretty quick. I am in the laundry business. That's what I do. My partner and I have a few stores. We're looking to build quite a few more. And what I do is go out, scout the locations. When we see underperforming stores, to put it politely, we reach out to the landlord, we reach out to John. We're trying to see if and when we might be able to strike a deal.
This is Brent.
I knew it was. I knew it would be. Did you vote today?
Well, no, sir, I'm at work.
I think they let you go vote if you ask.
I work in New Mexico. I live in Texas.
You work in where?
New Mexico.
New Mexico. Okay. So you're out of state.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, they won't let me go all the way back home just to vote.
I'll allow it. Okay. It's midterms anyway.
We're going to try John's new number. Let me try the 4451.
I like it. Not Bobby, but John.
John.
Confidence is high. Here we go.
Hello.
Hey, John, my name's Danny. I'm looking at some space here and I'm interested in leasing, if you could help me out with that. Yes. I left that out. There's a laundromat here, among other things.
Yes. So the only space we have available right now is to the left of the laundromat. We've actually got a lease we're working on for that space right now.
I love it.
What kind of business are you looking at putting in?
Here's my explanation. You'll smell what I'm cooking here pretty quick. I am in the laundry business. That's what I do. My partner and I have a few stores. We're looking to build quite a few more. And what I do is go out, scout the locations. When we see underperforming stores, to put it politely, we reach out to the landlord, we reach out to John. We're trying to see if and when we might be able to strike a deal. I've got 36 locations currently in 3 states. And, you know, most people run these places into the ground. They try to sell them. It's just this crazy redheaded stepchild of a business where people are just trying to get out of it because they don't know what they're doing. I'm trying to build it up. That being said, this laundry is not horrible. It's far from horrible. It's not great. The equipment's getting a bit older, but I wouldn't put this in a horrible category. You know, I think I could do better in my stores. I think everybody could do better. But at the end of the day, if John doesn't know we're out here looking, you know, we'll never get together and we'll never make a deal. I'm interested when the time comes in talking lease terms with you, beating you up on the rent a little bit, and spending $500,000 on equipment. That's all. But I won't buy the laundry. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not looking to build them from scratch either, because that's a whole recipe for disaster. You know, I get a big leg up with the infrastructure that's in these existing stores. So I'm quietly doing this thing.
Those guys have, I want to say they have like 3 years of term left. But if you want to shoot me an email, hold on to your info, and if anything gets shaky or happens, I'll let you know.
We have a deal?
You are a smart man.
Yeah.
You've got it. And John, this is your cell phone, right?
It is. Yeah, you can just text it to this your info to this if you want to.
No. I'll email you. What's your email address?
.com.
All right. I'll CC my partner Brent as well. I appreciate your time. Just let us know. And if it's 3 years,
man.
I'll be ready to go in 3 years. Thanks. Appreciate you.
All right. Cheers. Sounds good, buddy. Thank you, man.
All right. Good. Somebody answered the phone. Keep an eye on it. I'll send him the email right now. And like I said, not a horrible store, but dude, I wouldn't have that equipment in there and be running a store with 3 years remaining. No way. Without asking, we get the good info. That is information you can't buy on the streets. 3 years remaining on the lease. And you know, if that...
Yeah, I don't know why I don't have the address on there.
If that guy marches in there and says, hey, I need another 10, they should give it to him. He's the existing tenant. They should. But he should also retool. All right, dude, keep your head down. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, sir. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.